Hello everybody, it's Mindy. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm so happy you stopped in. I hope you come back and watch more videos. And if you're returning, welcome back. Hello again, how are you? I have some things here today to show you from a New Craft Day, okay? So let's get to it. I got two items here. New Craft Day, what do we have? Oh, we got a toolkit. A toolkit, look it. All right, look, how cute is this? How adorable. This cute little snowman with a little doggy or a wolf pup or whatever you want to call it. Look, he's getting ready to eat that carrot nose. You know he is, right? You can eat it. Look at the special drills. A's go here and on the scarf. He gets some up here on the hat. B's go in the flower. I mean, that's all I see as special drills. There's only 5, 6, 7 different colors, but it's pink. Hello, it's pink. You know, I'm all about the pink Christmassy stuff. If you've been watching Vlogmases, you have seen some pink stuff for sure. All right, here we go. Let's show you what we got. We have clear crystals, pink, a little bit of black, some blue, and some green. And here's our special drills. Oh, good. We got the little pink snowflakes, and we have pink faceted marquee. Like I said, A and B. That's it for the special drills on that one. But look how pretty it is. All that pretty purpley blue background. And what a hat. That's a hat, right? I'd take that hat. How about you? Look at the pom-pom. Could I make that hat? I don't know, maybe. All right, what's in the box? What's in the box? What's in the box? Let's see. Good things come in boxes, you know that. Oh, I remember. Okay, got a piece of foam. I love that they put the foam in here now. Protects everything. Okay, here we go. This is going to be a short, quick little video. I've only got 2 items to show you. Well, my bag just blew out. We had a bag blowout. What am I going to do? I'm not going to put it back in the bag. That's what I'm going to do. Man, it's a hot mess. Okay. Toolkit number 2. Oh, I know you're excited. Okay. Here is a stand. Oh, look, this one's round. Some of them are oval. Some are round. Not very many are round. But remember, take the film off. There's a film on both sides. It gets really shiny. Here's our drills. Look, they're, whoa, those were bright. Did you see that? Pre-bag drills. They were bright for this guy right here. Look at him. All right, how cute. I see A, special drill, B, C, D, F. There must be an E, right? E, F, G. Wow, that's a lot of special drills. Not very many rhinestones. Look, rhinestones here on the frog. That's not very many rhinestones at all. That's going to be so cool. Film again on the back. Don't forget to peel that film off. Every once in a while I find something I forgot to peel the film off. I'm going to zoom you in. You're way far away. Ooh. Yep, it's one of those days. It is one of those days. All right, let's look at our drills. What do we get? What do we get? We have no idea how many colors there are here because, you know, there's no legend, but there's a few. All right, clear crystals, red, blue, those are pretty, green, and gold. Okay, that's it. The rest are special drills. I told you there were a lot. Look at white pearls. Oh, look at that. An oval clear faceted. Nice. Oh, a small oval clear faceted. And another oval clear faceted. Is that like the cat's lost its mind? 3 different sizes of clear oval. Look at that. 3 of them. Now we have a pretty green faceted marquee. We have a smaller faceted green marquee. That one's iridescent. That first one was not. Look at more pearls. Pearls in 3 sizes. These are the ones I saw. I'm like, whoa, those are bright. Those are almost like fluorescent green. They're going to probably be those flowers down there. Anyhow, there it is. My 2 items I received. Thank you, New Craft Day, for letting me pick out a couple of things to show everybody. I will link them below so you can find them if you are interested. And thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed. Like I said, it's one of those days, you know, it's going to be kind of a goofy day. I got lots to do and a short time to do it. Got a long way to go and a short time to get there. You know what I mean? You know what I mean. All right. I got to let you go. Please, will you hit the like button? Maybe subscribe if you're new here. Those things are so helpful. Share a video once in a while. Super thanks once in a while. Those are monetary things. Super thanks. And I have coffee. Buy me a coffee. I'm Kofi. Coffee. I have no idea. Anyhow, thanks for everything you do. That keeps me here, keeps me going. All right. I will see everybody soon. Have a great day. Bye.